Hey guys, once again, welcome to this new video. Myself Shakti, and today I'll be doing a review of the software called Breeze, which is a traffic software which helps you to get traffic to your landing page, to your squeeze page. And this particular software, it does in an automated way, and it helps to get those traffic from 24 untapped sources in 60 seconds. So this particular software is going to launch on 26th of November, 11 a.m. EST. And what exactly this software is, like, let me tell you like how this software can help you. Like, this will help you to get free traffic, sales, and of course, like when you get a lot of sales and free traffic, you get a lot of freedom as well. So this particular software will help you to get those traffic by via sales page, via traffic page, and via opt-in page. So let me just go ahead and first of all run you through the members area. Like, let me show you like how the member area looks like. So this is what the member areas looks like, wherein is the dashboard, wherein you have the landing pages, the referral pages, the lead pages, and the campaign. So like it give you a overview of your analytics, like what till date, like what have you done, and what is the result out of those activities that you have done using this particular software. So let me show you, like on the left hand side, if I go to the navigation bar, the first option is the dashboard, which we are seeing right now, and the second option is leads, wherein if I go and like click on it, then it will give me the lead pages or the leads which I have collected, and you can also use these leads to upload in your autorespond by downloading the CSV file, or else if you don't have autoresponder, then you can keep it over here and you can use it as well. So these are this particular page gives you the information of your leads that you have generated. And the third page and the third option is a squeeze pages. So this particular option will help you to create squeeze pages. You can see like there are already how to do that. You can either go and like click on create new page, or you can use the existing one which is already there. So let me tell you, let me show you from the beginning. So if I go and like click on create squeeze pages, then I have to just enter the name of the squeeze page. I have to enter the title, I have to give a description, and it'll give me the option. So let me tell you, let me just show you, like if I go and select this particular template, okay, there are also pre done templates for you as well. So if I go and let's click on this one and I click on view, then it will show me how the squeeze page is going to look. So this is where it's going to look. So you can change the content of this, whether you want this content or you want some other content. So you can customize it according to your need. So this is a very simple way by which you can, by within a click of few buttons, you can get a squeeze page. Then comes the traffic pages. So let me go ahead and click on it, and it will show me the traffic pages. It is also quite similar to the sales pages, but let me go ahead and like click on create new page. And once I do that, it will take me to the next one, wherein I can click enter the name of that, the title, the description, and it will give me a landing page. It's kind of a landing page. So I can select one, and I can, if I go ahead and click on view, then it will give me a preview of how the landing page is going to look like. So you can select a page, an image on it. You can, like either you can give your own content, or you can like just like this, just share this link X time and you get free training kind of this. So by this, what happens is that if someone says your landing page to someone else, and that particular person, like go ahead and share your landing page to another two persons, so it multiplies. So as it multiplies, a lot of people get exposed to your, or they come to see your landing page, and there are high chances that whatever you are promoting or whatever you are giving them, or selling them, the chances increases. And the next one is the profit stream. So profit stream is another option which this particular software gives, wherein you have like around 12 products given by this creator of this software. So you don't have to, like if you want to go ahead and promote it, you can directly go ahead and like do it using their product, and you don't need approval. In fact, once you are a part, or once you bought this particular product, then automatically you get the approval for all these products. So you can either share it in your Facebook group, or in your profile, or any of the social media, or else you can like you can you can either use this, or you can create a new profit stream page, and you can start promoting these products. And once you can see that you either if I want to select this Hypnotic one and I click on view, then it will give me the option to go ahead and start promoting this product. So these are like 12 very interesting products. So people are there who wants to buy this kind of product, so you can target them. And let us go ahead and see the next option that it has. It's the affiliate links. So affiliate links is nothing but the affiliate links that you have generated. Like you can get the affiliate link of these products that you want to generate. So you can see the affiliate links are already there, and these are very like high selling products. So you can always go ahead and try promoting this. You can see Super Affiliate System 2.0, and you have Infinity. And moreover, if you want to promote some other product also, you can do that. Suppose say over here it says get an iPhone XS Max. So if I go ahead and I click on get affiliate link, then definitely it's not about Apple, but that was just an example. So you can go ahead and create that, and whatever product you want to like you want to promote, you can go ahead and do that. And the next one is the training part. So if you have bought this software and you want to go through the training first of all, then you want to like use it, then you can go through the training. There are these are very in-depth training which would be really useful for you. So this is the overview of this particular software, and this will absolutely will be helpful for newbies and anyone who want to like who want to create a online business of their own. This would be really a nice product to start with. And apart from that, there are 5 bonuses that the creator is providing you. You can see that the first one is our secret 1K a day method live training. The second one is discount. If you get this product and if you want to upgrade it, then you get the option, you get a discount of $67. You can, the third bonus is agency license, and the fourth one is a 24/7 premium support. And the fifth bonus is $100 a day with Breeze case study. So these are the 5 bonuses that you are getting. And one more thing is that the first 50 buyers who get access to this software, they get a 2K a day in a 24-hour live class. So even this is also being provided by the requester. I'm sorry, by the creator. So this is altogether a very good deal. And also the price of the software is $17. Let me go ahead and show you the what are the upgrade that you can go for if you are really willing to, and if you feel that this software is a fit for your business or for your marketing thing that you are doing. This would be a helpful. Let me show you that. It's quite a long OTO page. In fact, the sales page. All right. Okay. All right. Let me show it from here over here. Yes. So the first OTO is it's unlimited, all limit raised. It's a $36. It will cost you. You can create unlimited campaign, get unlimited promoters and unlimited referral. The second one is an automation package, and that is also $36. And wherein you can add automated scheduling to your viral campaign for a true set and forget experience. And the third one is a done for you setup, which is $197. And the fourth one is done for you campaigns. If you want a done for you campaign and you don't want to create campaign for yourself, then you can do this. You can go for this OTO 4. And the fifth one is the reseller right, which is also $197. So these are the OTO that you can go for if you are really thinking that this software would be a great fit for you. And Apart from that, like I have my exclusive bonuses which I'll be giving you if you buy this software using my affiliate link. So what are they? So since this software is going to help you, like create or build a list of yourself, but you need some traffic. Like you need continuous and consistent traffic to your page, to your squeeze page, to your traffic page. And for that, what I have done, I have added some exclusive bonuses which would really complement to this product. And the first one is from zero to $100 in 24 hours. This is a very powerful training given by one of the topmost affiliate marketer. So this will, and in fact, there's a very powerful and in-depth training which will really help you to crush this, like this digital marketing field. You can get a lot of information, a lot of hacks through this training. And the second one is the Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. This is also a PDF wherein you get a detailed training on how to use the Instagram platform to reach your potential audience. And the third one is definitely a FB advertising and retargeting tactics, because if you're promoting this software or if you're promoting your services, or you want to promote your landing page or squeeze space, and you want to use Facebook as a platform to advertise, then this particular training will definitely help you. And the third one is how to make $100 a day from your laptop. This is also a very interesting training that you can go through. And the third one is crazy traffic exposures. If you want like a hell lot of traffic to your landing pages, squeeze pages, then this training will also help you a lot. So these are the bonuses that I'm offering you, only in case you want to buy it using my link. And once you buy it, these bonuses will be automatically delivered to you. You can go to the Warrior Plus to your purchase details, and you will find these bonuses delivered to you. So this is a short review of this software called Breeze. I really think, like, if you are a newbie and if you feel like software is required for you to start your online business with a lot of traffic, and you don't know much about like how this traffic things work, or how to like how to do the affiliate marketing, or how to drive traffic to your squeeze page or landing page, then this would be a great fit for you, I believe. Thank you very much for watching this video.